Alright guys, this is what I came up with. Might be interested in getting. This is for my people who stick to their beauty supply type of hair. This is not virgin human hair. This is just human hair. It's already been lightened and pre-dyed. This color is in caramel brown. This is 14 inches, 3 bundles, 14 inches, and a closure in 12 inches. You can catch this on my website and click the tab Mayvenn. Yes, this is Mayvenn hair. Hey guys, I am coming to you today to try to do a tutorial to the best of my abilities. So, what I'm gonna do right now is I am making a closure wig. Here is my closure. This is 12 inches in caramel brown. And I have my 3 bundles of 14 inch. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to affix the closure to the front of the wig with some T-pins, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like since I don't have my tripod, so I can't hold it. Okay, so now I have put my closure onto my dome cap with no air pockets, no lifting, and now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to take my thread and my needle. Ran out of black thread and I thought that the medium brown would look a lot better than the black. So I'm going to go ahead and take that thread and my needle and I'm going to go ahead and sew this down and I'll be back. Okay, so I have sewed on the closure, as you can see, all the way around. And I'm going to go ahead and then add 1 bundle in the back, and I'm going to double my tracks and leave 1 inch space in it, and I will be back once I have completed this first bundle. Okay, so I'm down to the last 2 pieces of the first bundle, and I'm going to sew it from now on. So that's where we are so far. Alright, so I'm just finished the first bundle. I have to add a piece in here, and then back to the second bundle, and double my loops until I get up to the top. And put the third bundle in, try to squeeze it in as much as I can, any spaces like this on my hair, fill in. But this is what we got so far. Let me go ahead and sew in the next bundle and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished with my second bundle. And this is how much I have left. I'll use this piece to fill in somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this last bundle and fill in here. I'll probably go in after I try it on and fill in some more spaces, but it's pretty full already. And that's 14 inches. So let me go ahead and get this done before I have to go. It's raining outside, so I will style her tomorrow. But at least you guys got to see what it looked like as I do it. And I will show you how I finished it off if I have time. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Drop a comment down as well. And if you have any tips, go ahead and drop those down too. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright guys, so this is what I was left with last night. I came back and did a little more to it. I gave it like a low light type of thing. And I used Jazzing's wine color, semi-permanent dye. And I only left it on for about 10 minutes or so. And I finger combed it through because I did not want it on all of the hair. As you can see, more on the ends and more on the top. And this is what it gave me. You can see the closure. I put bleach on the knots, but I was a little worried about the bleach eating it since it was already processed. So I only put it on there for a couple minutes. And alright guys, this is what I came up with. Once again, this is I think 12 inches, 14 inches. And I cut a little bit off, make it look a little cleaner. The closure is a 12 inch. And this is pre-dyed hair by Mayvenn. This is 100% hair, it is not virgin. As you can see, my wig cap, it slipped back a little bit. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see more of those videos like that, just let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it if you thought it was a really good video. Have a good day guys, bye.